Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to delete or freeze sub account on Bybit in the web version. Let's get started. First, log into your account, then click your account page. Then go to sub account. To delete or freeze your sub account, click on the settings button of the respective sub-account from your main account. Now you can freeze sub-account or delete sub-account. Login and API management using the sub-account will no longer be supported once you freeze or delete it. Please keep in mind that once a sub-account is deleted, it cannot be restored, but a frozen sub-account can be reactivated at any time. Additionally, usernames from deleted or frozen accounts cannot be reused for new sub-accounts. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.